bought it, crib, got it, job, bought it. Did I ever ask you to? Welcome to my channel, boo boo. If you're new, and welcome back to my channel. If you're maybe. And so the clip you guys are gonna be seeing, these next few clips you guys are gonna be seeing, is me cooking for you guys for the first time on this channel. I mean, I did cook on this channel before, I think, but I didn't make a video dedicated just to cooking ever. So I'm very excited for you guys to see this. It wasn't like a fancy dish or anything. It's just something I usually make for myself that I love eating. It's fulfilling, it's delicious. So, you know, I thought you guys would love to see this. So yeah, anyways, let's get right into this video, period. I got the beans and soup I'm gonna make into a soup. So I'm mixing the soup right now. This one's gonna go on top of the meal. So yeah. And this is the rice right now. So this is the rice and the fish right now. And this is the other bowl. Okay, y'all. Soup is ready. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Oh my god, so delicious. Yes, ma'am. As you can see, it's literally overflowing, y'all, but this is not food. I like a mouth. Like this is how we like it. Us Africans, we like it to like fill up the whole plate and eat that shit up, period. And then this is gonna go in the fridge. This one's gonna go in the fridge for later if I get hungry, or for tomorrow if I don't have to cook food. Period. I'm excited, y'all. Good morning, guys. So I am going to be watching this movie. I was trying to see this movie in the movie theaters, but I didn't get the chance. So I'm going to watch it now. It's about a 2-hour long movie, which I'm excited to watch. And yeah, once I get my vehicle, y'all gonna be seeing me going on solo movie dates a lot, because I do love going to the movie theater a lot. So you guys will be seeing that a lot. So keep a lookout for those type of videos in the near future once I get my vehicle. My hair is right there. I straightened it. She looks good. My sister said she was gonna do my hair today because yesterday she wasn't feeling good. So yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna watch this movie, you know, and get my day started. It is currently 9:35 a.m. So yeah, period. And I just wanna stay positive, you know, everything is packed. I gotta wash my towels today. I just whenever I use them, at least twice, I always wash them. So I have to wash my towels today so they're clean. And then, yeah, I got my jacket hung up because I'm gonna wear that jacket the day I'm leaving. And then the outfit behind the chair is the outfit I'm wearing when I'm leaving. It's gonna be shorts and a black shorts and black t-shirt and scarf. But I'm more likely gonna be wearing a bonnet instead of a scarf now since my hair is getting done today. So yeah, I'm excited, y'all. Everything's packed and ready. You know, this is what's meant to happen. So we're gonna go ahead and watch Maxine. Have a great morning, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, so that was me cooking. I thought I could, because I know like a lot of you guys that are from my TikTok profile, you guys loved seeing me cooking food and seeing the dishes I would make. So I thought I could incorporate that onto this channel as well, on my channel as well, other than just TikTok. So that was me cooking last night. I do want to make more videos like this with you guys, like cooking with Kai, Chef Kai, period. So yeah, I just, you know, I hope you guys loved seeing that. Towards the end, I did just relax and watch. I didn't really do a closing for that video of me cooking, so I just ended up recording the next day of me watching Maxine. So that's that. But yeah, Maxine was really good, guys. I actually loved watching Maxine. I totally recommend you guys watching it. That's my eye. I totally recommend you guys watching it because it's actually a very empowering movie, in my opinion. It's got a little bit of horror, but not too much horror. So it's like kind of like a little bit of an introduction for me to be introduced to liking horror movies, because I don't really watch horror movies because of the nightmares and stuff like that. It took me like 2 days to even convince myself to watch Maxine, because I thought it was like extreme horror. But I had to watch the trailer this morning because I was gonna watch it last night originally. So that's why I had did a cooking video, and I was gonna do the Maxine clips and everything like that, but I never did watch Maxine last night because I was too scared. Yeah, I'm scared of horror movies, guys. So that happened. So yeah, guys. Today I didn't really do much. I was contemplating about life, and I didn't think you guys want to see that version of me. At least not yet, you know. So I was contemplating about life in the morning, and then I think around 1 I fell asleep, and I just woke up around 3:40, 4 o'clock. Just say 4 o'clock. I just woke up. So yeah, that's how today was. Today was contemplating about life and where things are headed and trying to stay positive. And I got these dealerships like blowing me the fuck up, y'all. They're literally blowing me up, and they're like trying to convince me to get into a vehicle, and I'm just like, yo, like I can't do that right now, like, because it requires you to have money for insurance, which I'm trying to just relax for now, you know, give myself a little breather. And then when I start working again and I get my first few checks, I want to use that to get myself into a vehicle. I want to take my time. I don't want to be bullied or rushed into getting a vehicle just because you guys have a quota to meet where you have to get rid of vehicles. Like, I'm not doing that to myself, you know what I'm saying? So there's that. Yeah, and then plus, yeah, let's say I got the funds, right? Let's say I got the funds for me to get into a vehicle. Like, I got the funds to transport my car to the dealership, right? Because you have to, mind you, I have to U-Haul my car because one of my tires is flat. I'm stressed about that too this morning, like how like I won't be living here no more, and I have to worry about like my vehicle getting taken away and stuff like that. And my mom was like, well, if they tow it, just let them tow it, it's whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm like, no, I literally need that car to get into my new vehicle. I'm sure I can get in the car without having a down payment, without having to using this car, but it's just easier. It makes it'll make my payment less for me. Like, I'm thinking about like that, or I'll just never get a car, period, if like that was happening. But yeah, I'm stressed about that. That's the only thing that's stressing me out. It's like I don't want to take too long to get this car transported to a dealership and get it taken care of, so I can capture that worry out of my system, you know. So yeah, but then like it's like I would have to do like, since I'm financing a car, I would have to do payments, and payments can go from $150 to $800 depending on what vehicle you get into. If I'm not working, how am I going to like that? It would be like a waste of time. Like, I put my whole fucking vehicle down as a down payment, right? Used a whole 2 checks of mine to get the car, and then get the car taken away within a month. That's just a waste of money and time. Like, that's so stupid. I feel like that's like really dumb in my opinion. I know my natural nails are very long, I know. But like, that's just, to me, is like a waste of fucking money. Like, I'm not doing that. Like, they're trying to bully me. Like, no, like, I'm gonna take my sweet time. And I say, I literally send this message, like, I was like, right here. I was like, as I've said before, I'm in no rush to get into a vehicle. And if you guys no longer have the vehicle that I'm interested in, then go ahead and take it away. Talking about $500 deposit, refundable deposit to keep the car for you. Excuse me? I'm not doing that. Like, that's just fucking stupid. I don't even have that, 1. And 2, like, if I had that, why would I be moving out of this apartment? Like, that make it make sense, you know what I'm saying? They sound stupid as fuck. But I'm gonna wait on my timing when I'm ready, when I'm mentally ready and physically able. Because, like, I have to be able to pay for the car. I'm not about to have another debt added onto the debt I already have. Like, I already have financial debt. Like, I already owe like $10,000 worth of credit debt because of my exes ruining my life with their bullshit. Like, so my credit score right now is at 544. It's not even like what it used to be. It was like My credit score was at 680 when I was 19 years old. I had a really good credit score at 19. 680. That's like, I was like 20 points away from having 700 credit score at 19, bruh. At 19, and nobody told me to fix my credit. No one told me to set up a credit account. Nothing. No one told me. I did this on my own. I researched on my own. I didn't have a mother or father telling me get your credit started. No, I did it on my own because I cared about having a good credit score. So like, because I went to school for finance as well, because I was a business management and marketing / finance. So I was like a double major. So like, that's how I knew to start my credit score at 19. So I'm not about to ruin my credit score more than it already is because of dumb shit. So I'm taking my sweet time. I mean, I got that. I'm not trying to make this video longer than it needs to be, so we're trying to keep it at 15. No longer 15 minutes. So yeah, that's all I gotta say, you guys. I'm just updating you guys on a little bit of my life right now. A little bit of stuff. Like, so this was what's happening today. I was overwhelmed by everything, and you know, everything just sounds very like draining. Or the more I think about it, the more I get tired of it. So that being said, my beautiful babies, I want you guys to go ahead and turn on that post notification bell, cha-ching, 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 because you know you want to see more of my goofiness. I want to see more of what you, period. Okay. And you guys go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be part of my beautiful babies. Bye. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay.